El Salvador, a story of resilience and transformation. Have you ever wondered about the stories carved into the heart of a nation? El Salvador, a small country with a grand history, invites you to explore its remarkable journey from ancient civilizations to modern-day resilience. Step back thousands of years to the era of the Pipil civilization. Wander through ancient ruins that whisper tales of a vibrant people who shaped the land's early identity. Feel the spirit of their traditions that still echo in El Salvador's cultural heartbeat today. The 16th century brought Spanish colonization, forever altering the landscape and society. Stroll through the cobbled streets of colonial-era towns and imagine a time when new worlds collided, forging a legacy of resilience and adaptation that defined the Salvadoran spirit. In 1821, El Salvador claimed its independence, but freedom was just the beginning of its turbulent journey. Witness how this nation rose from the ashes of civil war, powered by an unyielding will to overcome hardship and rebuild stronger than ever. Today, El Salvador pulses with progress. Its reforms, vibrant cities, and proud heritage shine as a testament to its people's unbreakable spirit. It's a place where the past and present meld beautifully, offering travelers inspiration at every turn. Now is the time to explore El Salvador's rich history and unshakable spirit. So, pack your bags and experience the resilience and transformation of a nation that's waiting to inspire your journey. Discover El Salvador, where every moment tells a story. Start your adventure today.